Okay, let's go to the Insert menu and select Worksheet. And we've added a new worksheet. Now let's right click on that, on the tab of the new sheet, and select Delete. And OK. Now let's just save where we are and click the New button to get a new workbook. And you see the default is 3 worksheets in a workbook. Let's go to the Tools menu and Options, and on the General tab we'll see where we set the number of default sheets. There it is. Now we can cancel out of that. And let's type in some information on this sheet as is shown in the manual that comes with this course. Now as you type in some of these formulas, you'll find that some work and some will not work. They'll come up with a kind of error message saying name, but don't worry about that at the moment. Once we've got all this information in, let's click on the row 3 header button and click Underline, the Underline button. Okay, I think I left that on there too long and it's underlined and de-underlined. But anyway, let's capitalize value and let's select that row again and click Underline, and it works this time. Okay, now click the Center button. If we want to find any more buttons, we can click there, but the Underline, the Center button is there. Okay, now click in B11 and then click in the name box and type in Pi, capital P, capital I, and press the Enter key, and then click in B12 and click in the name box and type diameter and Enter. Now click in B13 and click in the name box and type height. And now let's click in E11 and let's make a mistake here and type circumference in the cell and press Enter. And we didn't want to do that, so let's click the Undo button. We should have put it in the name box, but we didn't. So let's click Undo. There's also a Redo button if necessary, but now let's click in the name box and type circumference and press the Enter key. And then let's click in E12 and call that area. And you'll see as these formulas are starting to work now. And now if we right click on the tab and select Move or Copy, and let's move it to our Excel 2K working sheet and move it to the end, and OK. And now just double click on that tab and rename it as Sheet 4 and Enter. And now let's go to the Windows menu and select Book 2, where Sheet 1 has disappeared, and let's go to the File menu and Close. And no, we don't want to save it, but we do want to save this one.